How to add PayPal debit card on your Apple Wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add PayPal debit card on your Apple Wallet. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your Apple Wallet. After you open that up, you'll see the plus icon on the top right. Tap on that. And after you tap on that, you can see different available cards that you can add. Since we are adding PayPal's debit card, you can simply choose debit or credit. After you tap on it, you can tap on continue. Now you can hold the card near your phone like this, as it shows here, or you can simply enter card details manually. Now here, you will need to follow the prompts, so you can type in your card number, followed with your CVV and expiration date. So you can keep on typing that and tapping on next, and you can do that. Or you can simply scan the card with your camera. And it's that simple, and you'll have added your PayPal debit card on your Apple Wallet. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.